Welcome back to Kalleco. I'm Elle, and I'm here to bring you a Thursday 3 this week. We're going to kick things off this week, not with a paver necessarily, but a hardscape product we're also really excited about. Behind me and next to me are pallets of our Tumbled Bluestone wall stones. So this is actually natural bluestone, and as you can see, it has this great tumbled finish. It sort of looks weathered, but what's really great about it is it actually has a consistent thickness throughout, which means you get the weathered rustic look, but you also have the flexibility of knowing exactly how wide each piece is. That means that this is going to be great for you DIYers. It's a little bit of like a cheat code to get that rustic natural stone look without having to play Tetris with a bunch of different size stones. This is awesome for small retaining walls, garden curbing, a little bit of this and that, and what's really great is that we actually have a bunch of different size pallets. We have a full-size pallet, we have something that's sort of a half pallet, and then we also have some smaller pallets sometimes, which means you can find the exact amount you need for the job you're going to do. So again, this is our Tumbled Bluestone pallet, and follow me and I'm going to tell you about the plant this week. Hey guys, so we're back in our shrub department right now to tell you about our plant of the week. This is actually a new arrival we're really excited about. We've had a lot of requests for this one. This next to me is actually mountain laurel. So mountain laurel is really well known in the area because Mohonk has a particularly beautiful section called Laurel Ledge. You might have seen photos of this particular plant in bloom, especially in late spring and early summer. It has these incredible pink to white flowers that sort of almost look like little origami foldings. It is native to the area, and it actually makes a great addition to your home landscape too. So if you want to bring a little bit of that Mohonk magic back into your house or back into your backyard, you can do that with this guy. It's a cousin of the rhododendron and the azalea, but unlike those two, this is actually shade tolerant. He doesn't like as much sun, so that makes him great for if you've got an area in your yard that's maybe got a lot of tree canopy coverage or just doesn't get as much sun. It can add a little bit of a pop of color in a shady section of your yard, so it's great for that. It's a slow grower. At maturity, it'll be between 6 and 10 feet, depending on conditions. And like we said, the really big attraction for this plant is those flowers. Again, they will bloom late spring into early summer. As far as maintenance goes, all you really have to do is cut back for shape and health. And then during the bloom period, if you pinch off spent blooms, it'll help it bloom a little bit more rigorously throughout the season. So again, this is mountain laurel. We're really excited about it. Follow me, and we're going to finish up with the product this week. We are in the back of the nursery in the bulk yard right now, and today I'm going to tell you about our organic compost. We sell this compost by the yard. It's really for large plantings. Hey guys, we're in the back of the nursery right now in our bulk yard, which you can see behind me, but right here at the end we have something that's a little bit special. This is actually our organic compost that we sell by the yard. So what we really like about this is it's compost, but it's not manure, which means it's not going to smell bad, but it is finished organic compost, which means it's going to have a lot of nutrients. This is great to blend with topsoil for things like garden beds, vegetable beds, anywhere you really want to give your plants or the soil there a little bit of an extra oomph. This is what you need. Like we said, it's finished, it's locally sourced, which means it has what the native plants around here actually need. And again, we sell it by the yard. So again, organic compost, it's back here in our bulk yard. Thank you so much for sticking with us through another episode of the Thursday 3, and we will see you next week.